Chase Anderson, his first start since July 18th, coming off a DL stint with inflammation in his right tricep. And he does just that. He strikes out Bruce and leaves Votto at second. Just underway. Good to be back home. And good zip on that fastball. 95 right by Bird for his second straight strikeout. He's in there for Kozar. First pitch swinging a high fly ball out to Cincinnati. And Chase Anderson works a 1-2-3 second. He's retired 5 in a row and leads it 1-0.
Molina got rid of it quickly.
This is what you're looking for. Ahmed Owens, and they roll it. Chase Anderson, that's the way to contain Billy Hamilton. Just roll those double play balls. And he's through 3 with a 1-0 lead. Right there. Yeah, he's been striking out a bunch lately. That's his 13th punch out in the last 10 games.
Weird off-speed curveball that time. Down in the dirt away.
Well, Chase Anderson makes Bruce look silly. That's 5 strikeouts for Chase, 2 down. And get a pitch you can do something with. This is out to Lamb at third. And here come the corners. Goldie's got it. They have it force at third. Can they turn it? Iglesias gets up the line. The throw gets by Owens. And Iglesias is out of there at second. Billy Hamilton swing and a miss. A wild inning, but Chase Anderson escapes any damage and maintains a 1-0 lead. All ballparks and big fans. Called strike 3. He strikes out for the second time tonight. Now 7 strikeouts for Chase Anderson, 2 down. That's hard into the shift. Jake Lamb has it and throws it out. Jake Lamb, the shift is on. And Jay Bruce hit right into it. A 5-3 putout. Strands the 1-out walk and keeps it 1-0 D-backs. Reaches out and makes contact. A weak dribbler to third.